How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Samsung TV remote not working and red light blinking. So basically, when you press the buttons itself, you will go ahead and see red lights blinking right here. And of course, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and check the battery first, which is going to be this one. So if your remote takes disposable batteries, replace them with a fresh, high quality alkaline batteries. And you also want to check the contacts in your battery compartment and wipe away any white or green corrosions. From there, you also want to go ahead and check for stuck buttons. So a physical stuck button will continuously send a signal and cause the red light to blink endlessly. So you want to go ahead and just check your remote for those buttons and see if that work. From there, we then want to hard reset the remote, completely drain the residual power by simply removing the batteries out of the remote. Press and hold the power button for at least 8 to 30 seconds, and this will then go ahead and simply drain the batteries, or this will drain the circuit board from any power at all, enabling it to simply reset. If none of these solutions work, what I love to do is to basically just tap the remote onto my hands a couple of times, and what this will do is that it will go ahead and make sure that the batteries are connected securely. And you can also go ahead and try getting closer with your television to see if you have a clear and clean connection with the remote itself. So just get closer with your TV, making sure that there are no blocked obstacles or items on the remote signal, and then this will fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.